how to download and install Braun Healthy Heart app. Let's begin. Recently, we unboxed and used the ExactFit 5 Connect, and now we're going to download and install the application of Braun Healthy Heart app. But the problem, it's not available here in Bahrain. So what we do, I try to call my sister in Philippines and I tell her that can you download the Braun Healthy Heart app from the Google Play Store. And she messaged me, cannot be download or it's not available in the country. So meaning the Braun Healthy Heart app is not available here in Bahrain and also in the Philippines. So what we're going to do is we're going to search in Google Chrome the APK which we call a Android package kit for the application of Braun Healthy Heart app. So I'll show you if you have ExactFit 5 Connect already and you don't have the application of ExactFit 5 Connect, I'm going to show you on how to download and install the Braun Healthy Heart app. So first, we're going to do is open your Google Chrome, then search Braun. As you can see here, no, Braun Healthy Heart app APK. So click this one. Then as you can see, there's available APK here. So you can see the Braun Healthy Heart app for Android download. Updated April 30, 2025. So here in Google Play Store, if we open this one, if we open or install, let's check install. As you can see, the item isn't available in your country. So I'm here in Bahrain. The application of Braun Healthy Heart app is not available here in Bahrain and even in the Philippines. Now we're going to show you on how to download this application even it's not available in the Google Play Store. So as you can see here, in the first result in app, this APK Pure, let's open this one. And as you can see, there's an application already, Braun Healthy Heart. So we're going to download the latest version. So you need to scroll up or scroll down. As you can see, there's a version here, Healthy Heart version 2.3.5 here. And it was updated on April 30, 2025. So this APK we're going to download. So click download. So we click here, download APK 2.3.5. So it's now downloading in progress. Do you want to download Braun Healthy Heart 2.3.5 apkpure.apk? Okay, so before I already download this one, and again we going to download again. Download again. And you can see the detail. Okay, check the details. Now it's in progress. Now it's already download. Then we're going to open and install. In down, you can see, do you want to install this app. Install. Then the Healthy Heart already installed in our mobile. Then open. Click open. Okay, now we are here already in Braun Healthy Heart app. As you can see, there's a brand, Braun. Welcome to Braun Healthy Heart. Get started. Click get started. Confirm of your country of residence. So we will check what are available countries available. So there's Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Turkey, United Kingdom, United States of America, Algeria, Bahrain, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, and United Arab Emirates. So it's not mentioned the Philippines. So there's no Philippine in the selected country. So since here in Bahrain, I will click the country Bahrain. So click Bahrain, then language, English, then continue. Okay, there's a warning. Once you choose your country, you can't change it anymore. If you wish to change your country in the future, you will need to delete and re-download this app. Confirm. Then click the terms and condition and privacy policy, then accept. Then continue. Then, if you want to continue, you need to activate your Google Drive. For me, I will skip for now so that I can show you the actual application of Braun Healthy Heart. So skip for now. Okay. By skipping this step, your data will not be backed up to Google Drive and your previous readings will not be available and may be lost. If you wish to back up in the future, you can enable the auto backup from the More menu. Okay, so click OK. Now we're going to connect the device, our ExactFit 5 Connect, in the application. So I will connect this ExactFit 5 Connect, and these are the available device you can pair, no? The one brand Braun. So these are 3 devices you can connect in the application. So I will click the ExactFit 5 Connect. Then I will click continue. Then allow. Okay, allow Healthy Heart to find, connect, to determine the relative position of nearby devices. Click allow. Then Healthy Heart is asking to turn on Bluetooth. Allow. Now our Bluetooth is turning on. There's 5 steps we need to follow. So 1 of 5, we will now guide you through pairing your device. So continue. Click continue. Make sure the device is on. So we will on our device. Then next. Number 3, important, select the user A or B that you want to connect to the app. So I will continue on the A. Okay. So we'll keep it on A. Select A. Okay. So select A. Then next. Press and hold both BT buttons for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Your device screen will show BT. BT means Bluetooth with a dashed line animation when in pairing mode. Okay, so we'll click next. Okay, then we'll click both the clock icon and the arrow up. We're going to both pair, need to press both, long press until the BT will show in our monitor. Now it's the BT is in the screen. Now the cell phone, our mobile, detect our ExactFit 5 Connect. So since it was success, there's a big check. Your device has been paired to your phone. Now we click continue. Okay, so personal information, first name, last name, date of birth. Required field. So skip for now. Then allow notification. Receive notifications for reminders to take your blood pressure and medication. Check for continue. Then allow. Turn on reminders to receive reminders. Take your blood pressure and medication. Please toggle on from settings, app, special app access, and healthy heart. Okay. So this is the procedure on how to activate the reminder, to turn on the reminders. So skip for now. Okay, now we are here in Braun Healthy Heart application. So we'll keep it on. Start using your Braun blood pressure monitor to record your readings here. So now they are pairing. Now we need to check the icon here, home. So this is the data. There's no items in your history. So here in more, you can see our device. So check manage device. As you can see, our ExactFit 5 is connected. So connection status connected. So the application that you will download are already operation. It's working now. Even it's not download in the Google Play Store. So if you want to download this application, this Braun Healthy Heart app, I will write in description so where you can download the application of ExactFit 5 Connect. So this for now. If you want to download the application, you can check on my description. So this is the application of Braun Healthy Heart app. You can download. If it's not available in your country, you can check on my description. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and click the bell icon so that you will be notified on my next upload video. So this is the how to download the Braun Healthy Heart app.